Hello there. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of mallard ducks. You know, those charming chaps with the emerald green heads? They're practically celebrities of the bird world, gracing ponds, parks, and even puddles with their presence. From the bustling city parks to tranquil countryside ponds, mallards are quite adaptable. They're not particularly fussy about where they set up home, as long as there's some water to splash in and a bite to eat. You might even spot them waddling through your local park, completely unfazed by human company. These feathered friends are a common sight. Their distinctive quack a familiar sound to many, but there's more to these birds than meets the eye. Let's delve deeper and discover some fascinating facts about these ubiquitous waterbirds. Mallards are quite the lookers, aren't they? These birds are not just any ordinary ducks. They are the epitome of avian elegance and charm. The males, or drakes as they're called, are particularly dapper. With their striking appearance, they are the showstoppers of the waterfowl world. They sport a handsome green head, a white collar and a chestnut brown chest, all set off by a glossy black tail. This combination of colours makes them stand out in any crowd. The females, on the other hand, are a picture of understated elegance in their mottled brown plumage. Their beauty lies in their subtlety and grace. This camouflage is crucial, you see, for blending into the reeds and protecting their precious eggs from predators. Their ability to remain unseen is a testament to their survival skills. But don't be fooled by their apparent drabness. There's more to their appearance than meets the eye. The females sport a vibrant purple-blue patch on their wings, called a speculum, which is just as striking as the drake's green head. This hidden gem is revealed only when they take flight or stretch their wings. It's a subtle flash of colour, hidden beneath their everyday attire. This speculum adds a touch of brilliance to their otherwise muted tones. And did you know that mallards undergo a complete wardrobe change twice a year? This fascinating process ensures they are always in top form. It's called molting, and it's a bit like swapping their summer clothes for winter ones, ensuring they're always dressed for the occasion. During this time, they shed their old feathers and grow new ones, a transformation that keeps them looking fresh and vibrant throughout the year. This cyclical renewal is essential for their survival and well-being, allowing them to adapt to changing seasons and environments. So the next time you see our mallard, take a moment to appreciate the intricate details and the natural elegance of their feathered fashion. Now let's delve into the fascinating, if slightly less glamorous, world of the mallard's digestive system. It's a marvel of efficiency, perfectly designed for their varied diet. Unlike us, with our single stomach, mallards have a two-part system that works like a well-oiled machine. First, there's the proventriculus, which is like the initial processing plant. It uses digestive juices to break down food. Then the food moves onto the gizzard, a powerful, muscular pouch that acts like a grinding mill. With the help of grit, small stones and pebbles they swallow, the gizzard crushes and grinds the food into smaller, more digestible pieces. It's a bit like having a built-in food processor, ensuring they get the most out of every morsel. Mallards are dabblers, which means they feed by dipping their heads underwater and sifting through mud and water for tasty morsels. Their diet is surprisingly varied, ranging from aquatic plants and seeds to insects, snails, and even small fish. Once they've had their fill, the digested food travels through the intestines where nutrients are absorbed. Any waste products are then, well, let's just say they're efficiently dealt with, and there you have it, the fascinating journey of a mallard's meal from bill to tail. It's a testament to the ingenuity of nature, showcasing how even a seemingly simple creature possesses such remarkable internal mechanisms. Section 5, the bill, a multi-purpose marvel. Now let's talk about the mallard's bill, that iconic yellow appendage that's as practical as it is prominent. It's not just for pecking breadcrumbs, you know, it's a highly specialized tool with multiple functions. Firstly, the edges of the bill are lined with rows of tiny plates called lamellae, which act like a sieve. These lamellae allow the duck to filter water and mud, trapping insects, seeds and other edible bits, but that's not all. The bill is also sensitive to touch, thanks to a network of nerve endings. This allows the duck to feel for food hidden in mud and sand. Even in murky water, it's like having built-in metal detectors for snacks. Section 6. Sifting and sorting. How ducks find the good stuff. Imagine yourself at a buffet, but instead of plates and cutlery, you have only your mouth. You have to sift through all the food with just your tongue and teeth, trying to find the tastiest morsels without any help from your hands. That's the challenge mallards face every day. These ducks don't have the luxury of utensils or even hands to help them sort through their meals, but fear not, these feathered foragers have developed a clever technique to separate the wheat from the chaff, or rather the seeds from the mud. They have a unique way of ensuring they get the most nutritious bits out of their environment. Once they've scooped up a beakful of water and mud, mallards use their tongue to push the mixture back and forth through the lamellae in their bill. These lamellae act like a fine sieve, catching the food particles while letting the unwanted debris pass through. This action traps the edible bits while the water and mud drain away. It's a highly efficient system that ensures they get the nutrients they need without ingesting too much dirt or water. It's a bit like a built-in colander, ensuring they get a mouthful of food with every dip. This natural filtration system is incredibly effective, allowing them to thrive in various environments. This efficient foraging technique allows mallards to thrive in a variety of habitats, from pristine ponds to muddy puddles. Whether they are in a clear freshwater lake or a murky, muddy swamp, mallards can always find the good stuff. Their adaptability and resourcefulness make them one of the most successful duck species in the world. Section 7. More than just quackers, mallard calls and communication. Mallards are quite the chatterboxes, and their vocabulary extends far beyond the stereotypical quack. They have a surprisingly wide range of calls, each with its own distinct meaning. There's the loud quack used by females to get attention, often directed at their ducklings. Then there's the softer quack, 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 a more conversational call used between individuals. And let's not forget the male's low, raspy rab rab, often heard during courtship displays. It's a fascinating world of avian communication, and scientists are only just beginning to unravel the complexities of duck language. So next time you're by a pond, listen closely to the mallards. You might be surprised by the conversations you overhear. Section 8. Mallard Mates, a story of doting dads and dedicated mums. In the world of mallards, the bond between a pair is truly something special. Mallard courtship is a flurry of head bobs, tail wags, and synchronized swimming. These displays are not just for show, they are essential rituals that help strengthen the bond between the pair. It's all very romantic, really. The male, or drake, puts on quite a performance to win over his mate, showcasing his vibrant plumage and engaging in elaborate dances. Once a pair has chosen each other, they usually stay together for the breeding season. This partnership is crucial for the survival of their future offspring. And here's a heartwarming fact. Mallard dads, or drakes, are very involved parents. Unlike many other bird species, the drake doesn't just disappear after mating. While the female incubates the eggs, the male stays close by, protecting his mate and their future offspring. He stands guard, ever vigilant, ensuring that no harm comes to his family. He'll even chase away intruders, including other mallards, with a determined flap of his wings and a warning quack. His protective nature is a testament to his dedication. Once the ducklings hatch, both parents share the responsibility of raising their brood. The teamwork between the drake and the hen is remarkable. It's a true team effort, with mum and dad teaching their little ones how to swim, forage for food, and avoid danger. They guide their ducklings through the early stages of life, ensuring they have the skills needed to survive and thrive in the wild. This story of doting dads and dedicated mums is a beautiful example of nature's wonders. Section 9. Ducklings on the move. Adventures in following mum. Mallard ducklings are adorable, aren't they? Those fluffy little balls of yellow down are enough to melt even the coldest heart. But they're not just cute, they're also incredibly precocious. Within hours of hatching, they're already following their mother in a heartwarming display of instinct and trust. You'll often see a line of ducklings trailing behind their mum, paddling furiously to keep up with her every move. It's a sight that evokes a sense of wonder and tenderness. These early days are crucial for the ducklings as they learn essential life skills from their mother. And here's a fun fact, ducklings can even imprint on humans, following them around as if they were their mother. Section 10, a final quack mallard myths and surprising truths. There's a common misconception that ducks need breadcrumbs to survive. While a few crumbs won't hurt, bread is actually quite unhealthy for ducks. It's like junk food for them, filling them up without providing much nutritional value. Instead of bread, offer them healthier treats like chopped lettuce, peas, or even special duck food pellets available at pet stores. Remember, a well-fed duck is a happy duck. So there you have it, a glimpse into the quirky world of mallard ducks. They're more than just feathered faces at the pond. They're fascinating creatures with complex lives, remarkable adaptations, and a whole lot of personality.